Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a cookie banner to your Shopify store. So first of all, you're going to go to your online store and themes, and here you're going to click customize. But first of all, of course, we need a cookie like application because we will not find it here on our theme settings. So you're gonna go to apps right here and you're gonna write down cookies and you're gonna search the Shopify app store. Now there's a lot of options to choose from. Let's, for example, choose consent mode because it is built for Shopify. There's also tiny cookie. So let's try tiny cookie for this video. We're gonna click install and install like a tiny cookie to your Shopify. And then we're gonna add it to our Shopify store. Now you will need to do this setup process. So where do you want the placement to be? So for example, in the center or bottom right. So let's maybe do a bottom left. I believe you can do box inline, box wide, bar, or bar inline. So I'm gonna do bar inline, then you're gonna click next. You can show the rejection button and manage the preferences, show these policies, and enable cookie in app. So continue for free because we don't need it right now. Now enable the app in the theme, and then let's go to our theme right there and let's customize it. Now, when you are here, you're gonna click app embeds and you're just gonna enter this, enable this cookie. And as you can see now, it is right here. People can accept required only, manage preferences, read your privacy policy and terms and conditions, and so on. So this is how it works, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.